There has been an encouraging trend in garden design for a number of years. More consideration is being given to nature, animals, and native plants. In such a garden of nature, of course, there must also be organic gardening. This is not a secret science, but can be easily learned by anyone. Nature is the model for organic gardening. The plant does not have to adapt, but people observe and act in harmony with nature. Plants and animals live side by side without disturbing each other. They benefit from each other. Plants want to live in community and not be brought up to be hermits. This is called mixed culture. One of the pillars on which a natural garden is built. The plants produce the nutrients themselves, especially in autumn, when billions of leaves lie one next to the other on the ground and rot over the course of the year. The resulting layer of humus supplies the roots with nutrients. The natural gardener reproduces this with compost management. And he learns something else. The ground cover. It protects the valuable humus from drying out. The protective layer also prevents nutrients from being washed out and keeps the soil moist. Nowhere in nature will you find bare earth without human intervention. The thick layer of mulch material not only keeps the soil moist, but also prevents the growth of weeds, they call them wild weeds, in natural gardens. However, the natural gardener must be careful. New sowings should not be mulched immediately. The fourth pillar on which organic or natural gardeners build is gentle tillage. In a natural jungle or in a remote area in the high mountains, the soil is airy and loose. Although a spade was never used at this point. The soil is built up in layers. The soil organisms and animals, above all the earthworm, the natural gardener's pet, take care of the loosening. So that this soil life is not destroyed, the natural gardener loosens the soil in the following way. He sticks a digging fork into the earth and moves the stalk back and forth with jerks. This should be done about every 15 centimeters. This aerates the earth, but at the same time all layers and soil organisms remain where they belong. Healthy plants grow in such an environment. Plants that are significantly less susceptible to pests and diseases than those grown according to traditional rules. A natural gardener will be surprised how easy it is to create an oasis for plants and animals. An oasis in which man is a silent observer but also a beneficiary.